Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where I eat spicy stuff. And it's been a while. Hey, this is one that's going to be pretty much for Halloween. And it's Peyoung Gekikara Max and I'm guessing it's their spicy line, and this is the final one of the line, probably the spiciest. That's all I know, is that it's spicy. Black background, kind of reddish, pinkish foreground, I think. I did underestimate a Japanese variety that was supposed to be spicy once, and I won't do that again. Being the Halloween season, I thought this would be fitting. I have this. So I'm going to have a drink of my ghoulish green beverage. I've a napkin and I've a fork. And I've really got negative feelings towards the person that is blowing leaves. It's a windy day and it's raining. And it's rained all day. And they don't pick up the leaves. They just leave them there. It's stupid. It's a waste of time. And with that, I suppose it's time to begin. Alright, so. Ready? Set. It smells like regular yakisoba. I'm going to be very curious how spicy this is. Go. They're going to come up to my door. Because there's lots of leaves in front of my door. No leaves. It's spicy. Got a little bit of stuff in the eyeball. So it's spicy. I had 2 teeth pulled on Saturday. And they put a stitch in the gum to tie the gums together so they would stop bleeding. So I have a string in my mouth. Which makes doing this very strange. I'm trying to eat food on the opposite side of the mouth. The mouth. Kind of a standard Peyoung thing. Well, don't you hate having to push your eyeballs out of the way so you can get the last of your regular food? Done. Yeah. Yeah, there's heat going on, but it's all right here. I didn't like it. I'm bummed. I was really hoping I'd like this one, but I mean, yeah, there's heat, but it's just not hitting those notes that I want it to hit. I would have liked a little more sweetness. I would have liked a little more Worcestershire style flavor, you know? None of that. It's almost a throbbing heat, but it's definitely more of a sting. It's very sharp. I mean, if you like spicy, you might like this. Or if all you're going for is spicy, I would put this sub Bulldog Bokkeumyeon original. I'd say this is definitely under 4,000 Scoville unit. Maybe more like Mala, but different. It's just like a straight, I'd say it's an oleo resin kind of burn to it. Very chemically, just no finesse, no fun. Yeah, but yeah, if you like spicy and you like eyeballs, this might work for you. So, let's place our little friend here again. Oh no, there you go. He just kind of scratches around. He doesn't do a lot of moving. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Happy Halloween. Bye.